Hello all. A very muggy, lazy day today. I want to give a big shout out to Greg Miller for his generous donation. The Blacksmith Bird and I thank you. And here comes the heavy rain. I want to make a wall hook rack. My idea is the hooks and the rack are made from this one rusty piece. Like most of my projects of this kind, I have a general idea and I see how it takes shape as I progress. Drawing the first hook gave me a bit of a hassle, but I adjusted and the second too went smoother and quicker. This extra height made drawing just a little bit easier. I repeated the process on the other end. Having a better idea, the second one went much better. And I finished up in the middle. What really makes this piece is the extreme pitting from the steel being left outside for a long time. It's almost impossible to mimic this look. I'm using this in my laundry / mudroom to hang my rain gear on. A simply and roughly hand-forged hook rack like this, while not artistic, has a character that you can't find in mass-produced store-bought items. Catch you guys next time.